Hi, I'm Dave Logan. I'm the founder of Onli Travel, and I'm going to show you how I turned our Onli Travel backpack into a weekender bag. We've just arrived in New York after taking the train from Boston. It's going to be a really challenging weekend. There's a major storm that's going to hit, there's going to be snow, there's going to be ice, and we're going to try to enjoy ourselves seeing a show and having a nice dinner and traveling around New York. So here's how I dealt with that. First, I'm going to simply unzip the back, and you'll see that right where the computer case is, there's also a place where you can put a suit. So I've used the Onli Travel Suiter. Suit's all packed up in here, ready to go. If we're going to the theater tomorrow night, all I got to do is slip in the hanger, hang it up out of the way, and that is ready for tomorrow night when we go to the theater. So I'll close that up. And now what I'll do is I'll come to the expansion unit in the middle. So this is, you only expand it when you need it. So you can have a nice slim backpack for commuting to work or for knocking around the city. But when you travel, you need stuff. So here is the Onli Travel toiletries kit. And what you'll see is that there's a special compartment at the bottom here where I put my workout clothes so that I can get up in the morning and work out at the hotel. And then I've got everything I need there. Then, since it's going to be an ice storm, I packed some waterproof walking shoes. Same ones I used in Nepal. But they're bulky. So I've used the shoe cube with these Velcro straps to pack them down tight so they don't take much space. All I got to do is open that up, pull out these old favorite walking shoes, and when the storm hits tomorrow, I'll be ready to go. And then, finally, here is our double-sided, unique in all the world packing cube. On this side, I put my running shoes, so I can run through Central Park in the morning. Simply flip that closed, it's very easy. And then on this side, I've got all my shirts, including the one I'm going to wear to the theater. And then I've got my, my good pants. So there you have it. Everything I need for an enjoyable weekend in New York City. Once it's all unpacked, I'll simply zip closed the expansion bag, and it'll be a backpack, and I'll use it for traveling around the city. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.